Every company is managing somehow user authentication and authorization in a global environment. But how to ensure security and compliance regulations while provisioning and deprovisioning access rights at the right time? How to support these processes with workflow and approval automated functionalities? Identity and access management covers these questions and provides process frameworks and tools to handle identities and access rights in a robust and compliant way. There are numerous definitions about identity and access management. Identity and access management is the discipline that enables the right individuals to access the right resources at the right times for the right reasons. An employee's life cycle with a company can span across different stages within a career. The core processes are normally the joiner process, the mover process, and at last, the leaver process. However, there are many different variations possible within those main processes. Looking at the identity lifecycle in more detail. At first glance, an onboarding of an employee joining a company seems quite easy and straightforward. Imagine the following situation. Daniel joins the company, and in order to perform the work he is assigned to, Daniel needs access to several systems, applications, and tools. The access to new systems needs to be approved by data and system owners. This can take quite some processing time until Daniel receives all permissions and becomes productive in his new job. If not fully automated or because of inaccurate HR data, it might be difficult in providing access right at the very first working day in the new company. The HR team needs to perform the adequate onboarding action within the HR system. The line manager should request the needed authorizations, and the application manager should approve and grant access to the new employee on the first day of working. The entire process needs to be orchestrated and administrated in a secure and compliant way. And that's where an identity and access management solution does help to manage these challenges. In order to continue our journey through the identity lifecycle, let's have a closer look how career fits with the topic of identity and access management. This time, Emily, an internal employee, gets promoted to take additional responsibilities for leading a team. Her current permissions on access rights need to be adjusted, and it should be checked if she has conflicting roles in different systems. After HR team has updated the employee record in the HR system, the employee might need to get additional authorizations which need to be approved according to the defined approval steps and finally provisioned automatically or manually by application management. Generally speaking, the Identity and Access Management Solutions also supports the entire process, from a request to the approval of this request and the provisioning of new as well as changing access rights. At the career's sunset of an employee, a resignation or retirement can be the endpoint of the identity life cycle. Congratulations, Michael! You are reaching the age of getting retired. Michael's permissions, however, need to be removed. This, from a compliance perspective, has to be done in a timely manner. On the date of retirement, all provisioned authorizations need to be revoked to make sure that the employee is no longer able to access any of the resources. This above case also applies to an external employee. The deprovisioning of the access rights in time is crucial from a compliance point of view. Your IAM solution controls this process to make sure that no one leaves the company without returning the keys. In summary, identity and access management solutions make sure that the right individuals get access to the right resources at the right time for the right reasons. It is your identity and access management solutions which let you sleep well because you are meeting all regulatory requirements at any given time. AdEx Partners supports you in defining and implementing the right IAM strategy for your company and help you choosing the best fitting IAM solution for your needs.